Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll discuss the Lewis structure of cyclohexane. It has a chemical formula of C6H12, and for that, we will first count up the total number of valence electrons. We have 6 carbon atoms having 4 valence electrons and 12 hydrogen atoms that has 1 valence electron, and that gives us a total of 36. Now, cyclohexane is a compound of the class cyclo compounds in organic chemistry. And as the name suggests, there will be a loop like structure, and carbon atoms will be arranged in such a way that they form a circular ring. We know that carbon can form maximum of 4 bonds, and here each carbon atom has formed 4 bonds with adjacent carbon atoms. So we will attach 2 hydrogen atoms more to each carbon atom to fulfill its valency. After doing that, we will place electron pair in between each atom for bond formation. As you can see, we have used all our valence electrons and each and every atom has complete outer shell and zero formal charge. So this is the final Lewis structure of cyclohexane. For more such videos, make sure to subscribe our channel and thank you for watching.